Welcome back. We're sticking to track and field. Former Magotty High standout Zachary Wallace and Immaculate Conception High's Davine Dickenson registered personal best times to win the respective under-20 boys and girls 400 meters on day 2 of the CARIFTA track and field trials at the National Stadium. Wallace, who now trains with the Elite Performance Track Club, clocked a personal best 45.77 seconds to win the under-20 boys 400 meters ahead of Junior Gallimore, the former Calabar man now competing for Hydel, who was also in personal best form 45.81 for second, and Jabari Matheson of William Knibb, a personal best as well, 45.90 for third.
Get the execution right, and just that is it. Just get the execution right. Because my execution was not half yesterday, but not the best.
Dickenson of Immaculate set a personal best at 53.57 to win the under-20 girls 400 meters. She won ahead of Anastasia Hall of Homewood Technical 53.61 and Brianna Brown of Excelsior High 53.99. Look at this terrific finish from Davine Dickenson. Dwayne Sharp of Calabar won the under-17 boys 400 meters in 47.23, turning the tables on Jason Pitter of Kingston College, the defending Class 2 champion. Pitter second in 47.75. Foker Road, Shamika McLean took the under-17 girls section in dominant fashion, 53.39 her time. Danelia Dixon of Immaculate was second in 54.70. Athletes are vying for spots on Jamaica's team to the CARIFTA Games set for April 4 to 6 in Grenada at the Kirani James Stadium.